Hello crew leads. In this video, we will show you all how to upload your report photos straight to Project Sunrise, our new project management software. The first thing you're going to need to do is find the project in Project Sunrise. And a quick way to do that is actually to go to Schedulo. When you're looking at your Schedulo schedule, pull up the agenda for the day, and we'll see that there's a job for imaginary customer, project ID 96461. Tap the job, then scroll down. There's going to be a link to the project at the bottom called Project Sunrise URL. If I tap on that, it'll take me straight to the project on Project Sunrise. If you don't have the project URL in Schedulo, you can just go to Project Sunrise and in the global search for the project ID. Then hit return. And that's going to pull up the results. And then you'll tap on the customer name. In order to go to the file section, tap the gallery icon above and to the right of the project name. Now we'll want to find the installation folder and tap to go into it. If there is no installation folder, you can go ahead and create one. We'll tap the three-dot icon next to folders, and then we'll tap on Create Folder. Then we tap on the Create Folder button. The first one we're going to do is the EQ wall. So we'll create a folder for EQ wall photos. The next folder is going to be Panels. And the last one will be Reports. So now we're going to upload the documents into this folder. First, I'll go into the EQ wall folder, and we'll tap on the three-dot icon next to the EQ wall folder name. And then we'll tap on Add File. Then we'll tap on the Click Here link, and you can either choose your photos library, you can take a picture directly using your camera, or you can browse your phone's folders. So for this demo, I'll just grab some random photos. Then we'll want to make sure to select a category. In this case, we'll go to Installation Photos. Then we tap on the Upload button. And now we can see that the photos have been uploaded, and we can see a preview of them. So if we tap on the thumbnail, we see that this is the first image. Tap on the second thumbnail, and we see the second image. Now we'll do the panels. To go back to the panels folder, we tap on the installations folder, and then we tap into panels. And again, the same thing, we'll tap on the three-dot icon, tap add a file, and we'll select some random photos. Again, we'll choose installation photos for the category and tap on upload. Now I've got my EQ wall and panels photos uploaded. I can preview those to make sure that the right pictures. Next, we'll go to the reports folder. So we'll go back to the main installations folder, and then we'll tap into the reports folder. First, I'll add a string map. So we'll tap on the three-dot icon, tap on Add File, tap the Click Here link. We'll browse our folders, and here's a sample string map that I have in my folder. And we'll select the category. In this case, it's going to be string map. Select that category, and we'll tap Upload. Next, I'll do the micro map. Again, we'll tap on the three-dot icon, Add File, Browse, and we'll select the micro map, choose the category, and upload. And finally, we'll add our safety report and commissioning report. So in the reports folder, we'll tap the three-dot icon next to the folder name, tap Add File, tap the Click Here link, browse, and we'll find our sample safety report. Choose the category, safety report, then tap Upload. And the last thing will be the commissioning report. We'll select the commissioning report category and then upload. Now we've got all the photos and the files that we needed to upload for the project here in one place. We can preview them to make sure everything looks good. And so now the photos are going to be here for the AROM and the ROM when they need to review the project. If you used to leave a comment when you shared the files in Google Drive to reports, instead you can leave a note. To do that, we'll go back to the main page of the project by tapping on the customer name. In this case, it'll be imaginary customer. And then we're going to scroll down to the project pulse, which is located right below the contact fields. And it's right here. And we can type a message. So let's just say we wanted to leave a note saying, we left the conduit unpainted because we didn't have paint to match in the truck. You hit return, and there you can see that we left the note. So now everybody will be able to see the note right there on the project page instead of just being a random comment in an email somewhere. And that's how you do a commission report, upload photos and files to Project Sunrise. If you have any questions, please reach out to software@freedomsolarpower.com. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk. If you liked this video or if it helped you learn Project Sunrise, make sure to subscribe to the Freedom Solar Power Software Team YouTube channel to easily access more tutorials like this one and get updated when new ones are released.